May nag-inquire ng service ko. Gusto ni client website update in WordPress and platform. Ano po bang ina-update sa website? Hi there, I'm Anthony, your conversion-focused web designer and funnel strategist. This is a very common situation, no? When a client says na website update, it can mean many different things. If you don't clarify this early, you might undercharge or mag-overscope ka. Ang website update is not one task, okay? It can be technical, design, or content related. Here are the common types of WordPress website updates. So check nyo lang to, yung technical updates, yung content updates, then yung design or layout updates, meron din tayong functional updates. So ang key takeaway dito is that before you give a price, you may ask, what exactly needs to be updated? Is it technical, content, design, or functionality? Clarity protects your time and pricing. If you want more beginner-friendly tips on handling WordPress client requests properly, follow for more.